So hi everyone, my name is Sergey. I'm co-founder of OneInch Network. OneInch Network is a single point of entry for DeFi space. We started with the aggregation of decentralized exchanges back in 2019 on Ethereum hackathon in New York. It was just a hackathon idea what I came together with Anton Bukov, my co-founder, to just improve the space, to improve the usability of decentralized finances. Actually, back into the early days, there was no DeFi yet, the naming itself. So what we did, we just came to the idea to split the source amount, which, for example, 1,000 ETH, split in small pieces by using algorithm and swapping on different exchanges in the same time. We started with simple algorithm which just split it. Nowadays, we have very complex algorithm which use multiple market depths among a lot of liquidity sources. On Ethereum, we have more than 100 protocols integrated with more than 25,000 smart contracts, which we aggregate in just 90 milliseconds. Yeah. This is great work of my great team. We are more than 100 people around the globe already building on this open decentralized network. So we started with OneInch aggregation protocol. We have OneInch liquidity protocol. It was a small invention of 2020 in June. We came to the idea how to protect the people from sandwich attacks. So I still don't understand why Uniswap didn't implement it yet, but still hope that Hayden Adams will do that. We didn't push this liquidity protocol after the Uniswap v3 release because the Uniswap v3 has better, more efficient approach with the range positions. We have limit order protocol. It's a highly efficient order book protocol. You are familiar with maybe 0x protocol. It's more efficient. It's use small amount of gas and it's extendable. So you can easily build on extension on top of this and avoiding huge efforts of security audits. We have, of course, also our OneInch wallet, DeFi wallet, soon also released on Android, right now on iOS. It's a highly efficient DeFi wallet right now there. And we have OneInch DAO as well. With the OneInch token, you can participate in the DAO and push proposals and everything. So here, why we are here? I and Anton, we were traveling around the globe from 2018 December to early 2020. We were participating on almost every hackathon out there, which was about blockchain. So we participate on 17 hackathons, so we are hackers. We know how it is to build something on a hackathon, how to ship in just 2 nights, like we did it with OneInch MVP. Over 2 nights we built, without no sleep, a first MVP, and it was already working in production. So why we are here, we would like onboard more developers, of course, to building on OneInch Network, or also for the DeFi. And we would like to give back what we didn't receive back into the time when we were working. I will come to this after the bounties. So the bounties itself, we are looking for someone who can build an NFT marketplace based on our limit order protocol. So if you see OpenSea, it consumes a lot of gas. We have more efficient protocol which offers you to exchange NFTs, also ERC20 tokens, between people without trusting to anyone except the source code, which is audited and used. You can build on extension for NFT auctions and Dutch auctions, so whatever you have in mind, just come to us and let's talk about that. NFT aggregator is also one huge topic right now. We have a lot of NFT markets and it needs to be aggregated. We are aggregator innovators. We invented the aggregation DeFi space for ERC20 tokens. We are looking for a team who can also build something similar. And potentially can also join the OneInch network itself and get also first fundings from the foundation, but we'll come to it later. We have also a topic about margin trading, so you can create leverage position by using limit order protocol. You don't have to pay any fees. You can just assign a message, and someone who is interested and maybe incentivized can create for you a leverage position based on Lightning protocol or maybe based on something else. Yeah. We have also margin trading aggregation as well. So there are already some protocols out there which can be also aggregated for margin trading. And also automated market making strategy based on our limit order protocol. Similar to Uniswap v3, theoretically you can create a trading position, very complex trading position. In the extension you can implement, for example, I would like to sell Ethereum to USDC for specific fees. But I'm also okay to buy back for higher fees, for example. So also I would charge potentially dynamic fees. If the pump, if a pump happens on the market, I can charge theoretically 20% fees because the arbitrage has to have to arbitrage anyway. So you can just earn a lot of this. So the idea is actually from our liquidity protocol, but can be also implemented in the limit order protocol itself. You can create range positions like in Uniswap v3 from $2,500 US dollars Ethereum to $10,000. I'm okay with selling Ethereum, but also okay by buying back, and all the time I earn fees on that. So it's like you can build very flexible, complex trading positions, and you can offer it to create for everyone. And we have for sure OpenTrack. Just come with your idea to our booth. Let's talk about that. We have great software engineers, Kirill, for example, our lead software blockchain engineer. They can help with everything what you need, and can explain how it works. So if you're looking to get in touch with us, we have multiple social network channels. We have also docs.oneinch.org, where you can find also the documentation about the API itself for the aggregation, and everything about our protocols. Back to the foundation and the grant program what we have. I already said we would like to give back what we didn't receive. We applied for the grant to Ethereum Foundation, we didn't get it. They didn't care. And I know it's a very complex topic and everything, but we have a foundation. We have a lot of money there, and you're welcome to build something. Not only for OneInch, you can build also for the DeFi space. Just apply. You can get maybe $100,000 in OneInch tokens. It's like a starter. You can build something, a prototype, and we help also to introduce you to specific angels, VCs and everything. So and also you're welcome to join the OneInch network core contributor team. So if you are looking for a job in crypto space, doesn't matter where you are in the world, you can work with our guys because we are decentralized, distributed people around the globe who are working on the next iteration of financial system. So thank you very much. We have a booth. We have also small bounty for everyone. We have a physical airdrop based on Merkle trees. Come to our booth, get OneInch tokens to join our OneInch DAO. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Any questions?
Not a question per se, but our tech guys that are in charge of like market making and stuff, they were like really fond of your algorithm. Like you're doing some magic there, like without like the graph search or something, but you, at the same time, like it's efficient and it's really fast.
It's unicorn magic, yeah. Our unicorn it's a little bit different to Uniswap one. It's a manic, crypto manic unicorn, because we were like crypto manic team on the hackathons, and we thought like maybe it makes sense to build something highly efficient. And maybe if you ask about the OneInch itself, why OneInch? We are like martial arts fans, and the name comes from one-inch punch from Bruce Lee. And we are doing the same on the blockchain. So it's really kind of a little bit magic what we are doing. After our swap, there's no arbitrage opportunity on chain anymore in the network.
Yeah, that's really good because yeah, we've all been arbitraged when trying to start in DeFi, I think.
Any questions from people?
but definitely come by the booth and ask questions, especially since we've got like the tech guys here, so probably you can get some insight into that.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.